Hello and welcome to 8x8's new self-service e-commerce platform. You are no longer going to have to call in to your account manager to order more phones or upgrade your licenses. To view your 8x8 support portal, navigate to the online platform sso.8x8.com and log in. You will see your applications. Select My 8x8. This takes you right to your platform where you can see your cases, orders, billing statements, billing options, payment methods, and shop. The Shop tab is where you will be able to see our product catalog to self-service order licenses and phones online without making a phone call. Here, you have the options to filter our products by category and see more information about the product. When you hover over a product, you can click on the icon. This will tell you more information about the product and provide an option to add to the cart. Here, we will be ordering a Virtual Office X5 Edition along with a Polycom VVX401 phone. Click on Add to Cart. This will take you to the checkout section. To add another item, click on Continue Shopping. This will take you back to the product catalog where we will select the Polycom phone. Click on Add to Cart. This will take you to the cart page, where you will see more details on your current order. Here, you can change the quantity you want to order for each item. Let's say we want to order 5 X Series packages. You will change the number to 5. Under the Select Service Location section, you can select your address that is associated in your account. You will not be able to change this to a different address. Under the Select Payment section, you can select what type of credit card you want to use to pay for this order. If you want to add a different form of payment, go to the Payment Method tab and you can edit your form of payment. You can hover over the info icon. This will show you all the different fees and taxes that are collected with your order. Once you have selected your address and form of payment, you can click on Calculate Shipping and Taxes. This will generate an estimate and a breakdown on all the fees that are charged before placing the order. If you want to view more information on your breakdown, click the Show Tax Breakup. If you're ready to confirm the order, make sure you read the terms and conditions under the subtotal. It will ask for you to check a box to confirm your agreement. Click the Agree and Buy button and your order will be placed. To check if your account order was completed, you can go to Configuration Manager. Enter your login information and click Configuration Manager. Once in the main menu, go to Licenses. Here, you will be able to see your new licenses that were purchased and added in your account. Now you're ready to make orders through the self-service e-commerce platform.